Hello and welcome back to What the Tesla. Today I am in a Tesla Model X, a £100,000 Tesla Model X. It's the 100D version, and gotta say, it's pretty quick. Now it is the 2017 version, so it is a few years old. However, it's still in really good condition. It's done about 50,000 miles, and it is a loan vehicle from the Tesla Milton Keynes Centre. My Tesla Model 3 unfortunately is still with Tesla, and I'm now into the third week of them trying to fix the paint issues that I've got. My family absolutely love this car. So it is the 6-seat version of the Model X. It's got 2 seats in the front, 2 seats in the middle, and then 2 seats in the back. It's also got those Falcon wing doors, and it's got the automatic front opening and closing doors as well. So there's really a lot of technology in this vehicle, and it kind of justifies its £100,000 price tag. And it's certainly not every day that I get to sit in a £100,000 when new car, let alone drive it. Even after 4 years, this car is still worth around about £65,000. This particular model, being the 100D, can get around about 260 miles of range on a full charge. And realistically though, I've been getting maybe 150 miles out of it. But my driving style is unique. Also in the car, I love the colour scheme. There's a lot of carbon fibre or carbon fibre effect, and there's also lots of Alcantara around as well. On the roof linings, up here, on the dashboard, and even up here on the sun visors, Alcantara. Very nice. This is an incredibly spacious car, and like I said, it's been fantastic for the family, one that we've really enjoyed having, and in a way we'll be sad to give it back. I love my Model 3, but this is just something different. And the key feature really is those Falcon wing doors. I mean, come on, they are just stunning. But if I had £100,000, well, I'd probably pay some of the mortgage off. But if I had £100,000 for a car, absolutely I'd shortlist this thing, because it is just a brilliant car all around. It does everything you want. It's big enough for the family and the dog, and it's just an absolute joy to drive. So then, enough of me talking. I'm going to now do a few cinematic, or as good as I can do, cinematic shots of the vehicle inside and out to give you a look around. First of all, before I do those cinematic and panoramic shots of the vehicle, I need to clean it. So time to get the 2 buckets out and give it a good clean. So that was my first attempt at any kind of cinematic videography. Let me know what you thought. I thought it was okay. Hopefully I did the car some justice with those shots, but honestly it really is a stunning car. Well, that's it for this week. Thank you so much for watching What the Tesla. See you next time.